How to install DotNetNuke on a local computer. This tutorial assumes that you have already made all the necessary preparations for a fresh DotNetNuke installation, and once done, open the default install page in your browser. Let's enumerate the 5 basic steps to a clean install. Step 1. Download the .zip file from DotNetNuke.com. Step 2. Create the database and SQL Server login. Step 3. Create the website folder and unzip the downloaded .zip file. Step 4. Create virtual directory in IIS and set up the necessary permissions. Step 5. Run the DNN install wizard in your browser. Let's leave typical installation method checked. Click Next to proceed. Checking File Permissions page allows to test that this DNN installation can successfully create and delete folders and files. Click Test Permissions option to check. The test has been successful, as you can see it here. Click Next to proceed. At this step, we're going to configure the database settings depending upon the database type. Check SQL Database option. Enter the name or IP address of the computer where the database is located. Then enter the database name. If integrated security is checked, it means that you will be using your Windows account to access SQL Server. Uncheck it to use user ID and password combination to access the database. Scroll down. Enter user ID for the database. Then enter password for the database. Leave Run as DB Owner checked if you're running the database as database owner. Scroll down. When ready, click Test Database Connection. The test has been successful, as you can see it here. Click Next to proceed. On Run Database Installation Scripts page, we shall wait till the installation of database is complete. Click Next to proceed. Now let's configure host user account. Enter and confirm host user password here. Specify valid email address here. Scroll down. Let's specify SMTP server. Make sure authentication is anonymous. Then click Test SMTP Settings. The test has been successful, as you can see it here. Click Next to proceed. On the Portal title page, let's configure Portal Administrator settings and Portal properties. Enter and confirm admin user password here. Specify valid email address for admin user. Scroll down. Enter a title for the portal in the Portal title box. Click Next to proceed. That's it! We're done! We have successfully installed DotNetNuke Portal on our local computer. Click Finished, Go to Site, to open the newly installed portal. Here it is! Let's log in as host user to view the new DNN portal functionalities. Enter host username here. Then enter host user password. Then click Login. Success! We're now logged into DotNetNuke admin area and can start deploying new interactive portals. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to get ready for DotNetNuke installation on a local computer and run DNN Installation Wizard in a browser. Remember to configure site and database settings properly and test them before proceeding.